present continuous negative form. The present continuous isn't just for sunshine and action. This grammar tool lets us paint a complete picture of the now zone, including what's not happening. But how do we build a sentence? First, start with the subject, the person or thing not doing the action. Second, add the correct form of the auxiliary verb to be and, is, or are. It is very important to keep them in mind because this sets the stage for negation. Third, insert not or. You can also use its short form, like isn't or aren't. This is your negation power too. Fourth, end with the present participle verb form, ing. Finally, add extra information that complements or gives context to the sentence. Examples: I am not writing a novel today. She isn't cooking dinner tonight. They aren't planning a trip right now. He isn't watching TV right now. They aren't swimming in the pool. The sun isn't shining today. We aren't eating dinner yet. Keep in mind that using short forms like I'm not, they're not, or he isn't are for casual speech. But don't forget to use the apostrophe between N and T, or in the contraction I'm not. Remember, when you listen to words like not, never, nobody, or no way, they are giving you a clue about a possible negative present continuous sentence. It's super easy, isn't it? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Visit our website to book a tutoring session or find more sources to practice. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.